Hello guys, my name is the fun Windows 10 helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of your desktop icons. Now, if you're like me, I'm a little bit of a busy man. I am in high school, so I have a lot of stuff on my desktop here. And I have a little other couple projects from other YouTube channels that I work on, and some games that I play in Discord and other apps that they just sit here for shortcuts. And then you have all your audio files and then other images that show up on your desktop. So if your desktop is overloaded or you just don't want to see your icons at all, you can right click, go to View, and click Show Desktop Icons, and it will get rid of all that. So you get to see your beautiful wallpaper, whatever is behind it, and it'll look just like how the screen looked before you had everything on there. But don't worry, if you want to show all your desktop icons again, just go here, and they're all back. Now, personally, I like having them off. So yeah, that is how you turn off your desktop icons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more helpful tips and how to fix videos for Windows 10. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. Hit all if you want to be notified for all my videos. Hit personalized if you only want to be notified for some of my videos, and hit off if you only want to support the channel subscribing and you don't want to be notified for any other videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.